Hello superstars, as you can see here on my Binance, you can sell USDT for 737 naira. You can see it here. The current rate is 737 naira. So in this very video, I'll be showing you how to get dollar for free. Like you'll be getting dollar for free. You don't have to pay any money or spend any money. You'll be getting dollar for free, and you'll be getting dollar at the rate of 500 naira, and you come here to Binance and sell it at the rate of 737. So you come here on Binance and sell it at the rate of 737. So stick to the end of this video and don't miss out any single part of it. If you are super pumped about this video or hearing my voice for the first time, you're welcome to Give Us. This is a channel that will make money related videos. If that's the kind of niche you are looking for, kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on that bell notification icon so you get notified by YouTube whenever a viral video like this is dropped. Well done. Now I'll be moving straight to the app where we can get $3. I mean $3. I don't have to pay any money. You don't have to pay any money. You'll be getting this dollar for totally free. Then you come to your Binance, sell it, and make cool profit. Getting dollar for 500, selling your dollar for 737. So it's a very very huge profit out of it. You get, let's say, okay, let me go to my calculator now. Let's say we are having $100 and you'll be getting a dollar from this side, 500 naira. Then let's say you are coming to sell it on Binance. Okay, $100. Okay, you are getting it a 500 for free. You are not paying any money. So just stick to the end of this video and make sure you watch this video to the very end for me to show you step by step the full guide on how you can make this mad profit from. I would say this is kind of a arbitrage opportunity. So stick to the end of this video, like this video to break down YouTube algorithm, and comment down below I have subscribed, and I'll see you there. Okay, now let's say 500, you are getting dollar for 500. Maybe you have $100, 500 times 100. Okay, you'll be getting 50k. You get 50k, 500 times 100, 50k. Then you are coming to Binance to sell it for 737 per dollar. 737 times 100. You see, you'll be getting 73,700. Okay, 73,700 minus 50k minus 50,000. You see 23,700 naira. And remember, even the dollar you are getting for 500, you are getting it for totally free. You get the concept. You are getting it for totally free. So stick to the end of this video and don't miss out any single part of it. Let's dive into this video. So guys, here we are on the website. We'll be getting dollar for free, $500. Okay, sorry, 500 naira per dollar for totally free. Now if you use the link at the description menu down below, you'll be getting a whopping bonus of $2 sign up bonus for you using the link. Now make sure you use the link at the description menu down below, because if you go and use, like, let me just say you want to just sign up on your own without using any link, you won't be getting any bonus. So I advise you to use the link at the description menu so that you can get your $2 bonus and increase your profits. Now this app will give you $2 per sign up, and also, like I told you previously, that you are not going to use money for this update. The update is totally free. Now if you refer somebody to this site, you'll be getting $1, sorry, you'll be getting $1 per referral. So if you look here, I only have 5 referrals here, and the 5 referrals here, I was given $1 per each referral. $1 per each referral. You get the concept? And this sum up the total of $5. Okay, the $5 here added with my $2 sign up bonus, so it's equivalent to $7. Now I discovered this update yesterday or the day before yesterday or so I just decided to share it out to you guys here. So I don't want you guys to miss out anything. So this balance you are seeing here, if you look here, you can see it $7 worth in crypto. See it here in crypto. So you can withdraw your money in crypto and sell it on Binance. Now I told you guys that you'll be getting dollar here, 500 per dollar. So let me just go to the setting and change. Okay, let me change our currency to Nigerian naira. Click on apply. Now if you come back here now, you can see that you'll be getting 500 naira per referral. You see it's 500 naira per referral, and this is my total balance, 3,500. I don't know if you are getting the concept. Now if you are getting 500 naira per referral here, you just have to withdraw through USDT to your Binance. Once you withdraw, you go to Binance and sell it for 737 naira, 737 naira per dollar. You get. Okay, now let's make a quick calculation. I have a total of $7 here, and it's equivalent to 3,500. Okay, let me use Binance rate. 737 times 7. So you can see it's 5,159 naira. And remember, even the $7 I have here, it's totally free. I got it for free without paying or using any money for this arbitrage opportunity. So guys, now I'll be telling you how this platform fully works. Now the name of this platform is called Mara. Now it's a wallet. This platform is not yet launched. Now they are also giving an opportunity for those of you that can bring in members into this app. They can bring in members into the app. Now if you bring anybody into the app, the person you bring in will be getting $2 and will be getting $1. You get the concept? The person you bring will be getting $2 and will be getting $1 for totally free. You don't have to pay any money. It's free. Now once this app is launched, your withdrawal will be enabled. You can now withdraw your money through cryptocurrency to Binance and sell it there on Binance. And maybe, like, Binance price is fluctuating. It may increase by that time or it may decrease, but currently now you can see that this is a very huge arbitrage opportunity and you can make cool money from it. So once you use the link addition menu, you arrive at a page where to ask you to sign up. You just have to sign up. Once you sign up, you'll be getting your $2 for using that link. Now if you bring anybody into this app, you'll be getting $1. I'll be walking you through on how you can get your link and start sharing. Click on N once you sign up. So click on, I advise you to go through your terms and conditions to see how everything works. I've already gone through it, so I'll advise you to go through it yourself. Click on how it works. You can see the first step, invite your friends, just share your link. When they sign up, you both move up the wait list and refer. Okay, the number 3 option there says refer and earn rewards for each person you refer. You get the concept. You just have to click on go eat. Once you click on go eat, now you can see your ref code here, your referral code here, and this orange button down below here, it's where you can get your referral link. So that's how you can get your referral link. So if you're having any challenges or you're having any difficulties here, you can also reach out to me for assistance or reach out their support here. So if you head over to the academy section, you can see that there are so many lots of information here, like both articles and videos. So you can go through these articles and help yourself, because the article talks about how to mine cryptocurrencies, like crypto airdrops, how to stake cryptocurrencies. You get the concept. Airdrop for beginners. And it also has the video section. This video section, it will be telling you everything about Maras. If you click any of the video there, it will take you to YouTube. You get the concept. It will take you to YouTube. Then from YouTube now you can get some more information about this update and about the launching date of this app. So I recommend you jump on this update now, start gathering some dollar for yourself, and once this app is launched, you just have to transfer your crypto to Binance, sell it at a good rate, keep your money to yourself. Remember, the dollar you are getting is totally free. So if you click on any video to take you to YouTube, and on YouTube now you can see the name of the channel is the Maraverse. You get, so that's Mara YouTube channel with some subscribers. There are lots of subscribers there. So that's it. You can get info there. So you can just play around with the app, make money for yourself, and wait for the launching date. You get the concept. So you can scroll. Once you scroll, you see so many viral information. If you come to your profile now, what you have to do, like I said previously, you just have to verify your phone number and your email address. You get the concept. Just your phone number, email address, and you get this bonus. So this is a very nice update. I don't want you guys to miss out. You can either change it to steal mode to hide your balance and some other stuff. If you want to hide your balance, you can hide it. If you want to